Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to disable calls on Telegram. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just open the Telegram app, and in the settings there is the option of disable calls. So you have to open the Telegram app and make sure you have to go to the settings at the top left. And you will see the calls, but there is no call history, and you have to just click to the settings and scroll down, and you have to click to privacy and security. So there is the option, you will see the calls. You have to click to the calls and make sure you will click to on nobody. So now this is disable calls on Telegram. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.